Hi, friends. This is Susan, and it's time for a walkabout. I'm walking around my garden here and looking for inspiration, but first I have to go up to my greenhouse and drop off some produce into the compost. And what I wanted to talk about today is inspiration. And it's summer right now, and there is inspiration everywhere. Everywhere you look around. And what made me think of this morning I had to cut some of my hydrangeas because I didn't realize they weren't getting any water. My hose wasn't working properly, and they were going brown early. And so when I cut the heads off, the underneath was absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, when I get around to that, I will show you. So you can see here's my greenhouse. And I've become pretty good at growing tomatoes. And I have 3 different varieties of baby tomatoes in there. And I love doing that. It's really fun. It's so awesome to be able to pick your own food because, in particular, tomatoes, when you buy them from the store, they're just kind of blah. But if you grow them yourself, they just taste wonderful. Anyway, here I'm going to show you my garden. All right, here's some amazing cosmos. I can't see that real well, but look at these. These are just so gorgeous. Wouldn't they make an amazing painting? Look at that. You just take a picture and paint it. See what we got. I'll show you these dahlias I've been growing. And trust me, I'm not a professional grower. I'm not a farm girl. I'm faking it. We have 5 acres here. And the thing I'm really good at is riding a lawnmower. Anyway, here's my dinner plate dahlias. Oh my gosh, these are so inspiring. I mean, there's my hand. Look at the size of that thing. It's just massive. And I've had these tubers now for, gosh, probably 5 years. I don't even know where I got them from, but they're just unbelievable. The size of this bud, you see that? It's just huge. So I always take one of these to work with me. Oh, here's one of my favorite things to see is a bee doing his job. Isn't that awesome? I hope he's cleaning up some of the bugs on there. I keep hoping. Okay, so you can see this one all started, I mean, it's only, early August, and my hydrangea, this one in particular, was dying off. And I think it was because it wasn't getting any water. My hose underneath was plugged, and I have these hoses that go underneath. But here's the cool thing. When I cut off the dead ones, you see the colors under there? The purple stems? Wow. They are so, I was really surprised. I had never even thought of looking before, but look at that. It's just gorgeous. So look at the size of these guys here, and look at all the colors that we have in here. We've got a little bit of browns, we have burgundy, we have blues, we have like a wisteria color, and they're just so gorgeous. And then this one, it completely died. I don't know what happened to it. All right, so let's cut one of these. Let's see what's on the other side. Oops. Look at this. Look at the colors. They're just absolutely gorgeous. The deep blues. So there's your colors. Okay, let's go around. I have more hydrangeas around the other side. Here's one that's doing really well. I think this is called a lace hydrangea. But look at these colors and this rich blue and purples. I mean, you could just do a painting with those colors. Just do an abstract and then throw some green in for complement. And here's the plants. They're dying off down here, so then they're going to this kind of pinky color. And here's the other thing I love is my daisies. And what are they called? Oh, Shasta daisies, that's it. They're really wonderful. I have an ongoing battle here with this stuff. Morning Glory. It grows like crazy here. Now here's another hydrangea that I have, but it looks like the big bees, the bumblebees love these guys. Look at these colors. And you always associate hydrangeas as being that blue color. And these are vibrant pink, and they've stayed that way, which is really awesome because I have bought them and they are pink and then they end up being not pink. I'm going to cut this one off. Let's take a look at the underneath. Look at those colors. This is just beautiful. Now here's another one I have, a different type of hydrangea. Looks like he's got bees, a different kind of bees hiding in there too. There's a whole bunch of them on this one for some reason, but look at the flowers, and they have this tinge of pink on them. Look at this. Oh my gosh, they are just gorgeous. There we go. So get some inspiration out of this. Here's another blue one, and it looks like this one only has one flower. I don't know what happened to it. And then look at this plant here. It's it was these red flowers. What do they call them? Cruciferous or crucifer? I forget the name of it. You probably know the name of it if you're into gardening. But this is just this vibrant flower, and then when the flower dies off, it has these seed pods on it. And the shapes, I love the shapes. I want to do sort of a botanical, cartoony drawing of all my flowers because I just think they're so wonderful. Well, I hope I've given you a little bit of inspiration today. Things to do that are cool, things to paint. And take a look around you. Take a look at the shapes of the plants in your yard and the colors, and pull together a palette based on a couple of plants and paint something. Have some fun with it. You can see behind me here. Look how gorgeous this is. It's so beautiful. Anyway, have a fabulous day. Go paint something, and don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank everybody for getting me over the hump. I'm now monetized, which means I have over 4,000 watch hours in a year. Thank you. I really appreciate everyone's help. I've been working really hard for 2 years solid, putting up a video every week and trying to help you, to inspire you, and get you to do art because it's really good for you. It's good for your mind, takes your mind off whatever's going on in your life that you don't want to look at. I got a whole lot here I don't want to look at sometimes. And, you know, just chill. So, adios for now. And we'll see you in the next video.